respiratory system is made up of all organs in your body that help you breathe. The goal of the respiratory system is to deliver your cells oxygen-rich blood and take away the waste product, which is carbon dioxide.
The respiratory system has 4 parts: the lungs, the trachea, bronchi, and diaphragm. The trachea filters air when we breathe and branches into the bronchi. The bronchi are 2 air tubes that branch off from the trachea and carry directly into the lungs. The lungs are the main organ, where oxygen and carbon dioxide is exchanged in the alveoli. Then, in the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of the lungs contracts when you breathe to push out the carbon dioxide waste, and relaxes so your lungs can fill up with air.
The respiratory system relates to swimming because as you swim, you are holding your breath. But when you take a breath, your body is trying to get as much oxygen into your blood as possible in order to keep going. But the more you breathe, the slower you are. So you have to take a breath as little as possible, which means when you take a breath, you want to take as much oxygen in as possible.
The circulatory system is responsible for transporting materials throughout the body. It transports nutrients, water, and oxygen to the body cells and carries away the waste products like carbon dioxide.
The 3 major parts of your circulatory system are your heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart is located in the center of the chest, slightly to the left, and its job is to pump blood and keep blood moving through the body.
Your blood is constantly flowing through your body. It is pumped by your heart and carries nutrients, water, oxygen, and waste products. Your blood is not only just a liquid, but it is made up of solids and a small amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide too.
There are 3 types of blood vessels. They are your arteries, capillaries, and veins. Your arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to your body cells, and your veins carry oxygen-poor blood from your body cells to your heart. Then there are capillaries that connect arteries to veins.
The circulatory system relates to swimming because as you breathe and take in oxygen, your oxygen-rich blood is circulating throughout your body and delivering the blood to your muscles in order for them to keep working and go faster.
The muscular system is related to swimming as swimmers work their entire body while swimming the 4 main strokes. Swimming will overall work your arms, legs, torso, hips, and even your heart as exercise increases your heart rate. The natural resistance provided by the water allows the muscles to stretch, increasing flexibility.
While swimming freestyle and backstroke, triceps, biceps, and deltoids, abdominals, gluteals, ribcage intercostals, chest pectorals, and hip stabilizers are engaged as you are pushing and pulling water while maintaining your torso in a face-down position. During these strokes, we also do the flutter kick, which works the quadriceps, hamstrings, calf, and foot muscles.
Breaststroke and butterfly both require you to lift your head out of the water using the power of your arms and legs. Breaststroke's arm movement engages the pectoral, biceps, and deltoids. Butterfly is the most muscle-engaging stroke as it requires the power of your torso and hips just as much as the power of your arms and legs. Your chest lifts out of the water every stroke you take, requiring you to push against the resistance of the water with your arm and shoulder power. When you push yourself back under the surface, you are using your abdominal and deltoids, while the frog kick used with it engages the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstring.
All of these movements are repeated at a rapid pace until you finish your laps. This creates an intense workout of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles.
Do you think I'm pretend or make you feel like cheating?